Guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day or even more. This is great if you're just starting out as a beginner. This is with a site called textbroker.com. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. I upload videos weekly. I'm trying to upload videos daily. So just make sure you subscribe and like the video so you can be notified first when I upload my next video. It'll add a lot of value to you. So this is a great way to get started if you like writing. I don't particularly like writing myself. This is a good way to get started, and it can grow exponentially if you're consistent and have the desire to put in the work. Okay, so you can see on textbroker.com, you have a couple of different options here. If you are needing content, this is something that you would have to pay for, but you can come over here and they offer this service where you can buy articles and get this service delivered to you. But with what we're talking about here today is writing the content so you can actually make money and be on the other end of this, so you can provide these articles. And this is something that you can do to where you can get started for free. So what you'd want to do is come over here and click on I Write Content. And here it's going to give you an idea of what this is all about. You're just starting out or a more experienced professional, Textbroker gives you access to thousands of writing opportunities for each topic. Choose when and how much content you write. There is no limit to how much you can earn. You can see here that there's further information. It's free of charge. It's flexible time management, reliable payment. Read here why it pays to become a Textbroker author. As you can see here, it's free registration, direct access to projects, flexible time management, weekly payoff. They get helpful feedback, so if you get their experienced team of editors that can regularly rate your articles, you get free writing resources. It's free to register. So with the payments, Textbroker offers several payment options. The better your content, the more you can earn. So what they do is they have a rating system here, and this is the amount that you can get paid per word. And then what you do along the way as you get more experience, then of course that pay rate and your rating is, the quality of your rating is going to go up. So as a beginner, you're going to be starting more on this level, and it's going to let you know that you're going to be making just about 7 cents a word. But this is a kind of a long-term process to where to increase that, you want to put in extra work and just continue to write these different articles, and eventually you're going to get to the point to where once you get up to this 4-star to 5-star, this is going to show credibility, and then also it's going to increase the amount that you can possibly make. It shows right here you can request a payout at any time during the week as long as your Textbroker balance is $10 or more. Payouts are processed twice per week. You want to make sure you read their terms of service for more information about that. Please note, as an independent contractor, you are responsible for any and all taxes of your own income. Average pay of a 4-star author. Even experienced professionals can create a profitable business with textbroker.com. Their sales and marketing team recruits clients every day. This means thousands of new content writing opportunities for you to earn money online. You decide whether to select from their vast open order pool in your quality level, write direct orders for specific clients, or work on a project in a team. So they're very selective of the availability of what they're going to be able to give you, to where you can just go in this open order pool. You actually look for the quality of level that you're at, go ahead and choose those different options or availability to you. So here you can see you can actually have something to where you can start off to where if you have the quality here of only the 2-star, of the amount that you could possibly make, calculating how you can earn with your content in the open order category. And as you go up, you can see how much more you can make by the quality too. So obviously if you're a beginner, you're just starting out, you start off with 2 with the word counter. 100 words, you can be making 70 cents, and they can go all the way up to $84 for a 1,200 word count. So potentially, if you keep on going up and you want to see if you're going to get to a certain level to see if it's worthwhile to you, you get up to this point to where you're looking at more of a maximum amount of what you could earn, possibly $600 per 12,000 words that you provide. So If this is something that you're interested in and this, you think this might be worthwhile, I'd go ahead and sign up. You can also see here that they have rewards, milestones, and bonuses. Earn quarterly amount, and if you continue to go, they have these rewards with these laptop bags, Kindle e-readers, 5 million words for a tablet, 10 million words for a 3-night stay in Las Vegas, and so on. And these quarterly amounts that you earn, you get these bonuses that go along with it. You have these frequently asked questions to let you know if there's anything that you want to know more about these bonuses or rewards. So then if you come over here, you can see the authorization. You have the ability to sign up as a client to order the content if you're wanting articles written for you, or as an author to earn money writing content. So you just simply come over here and click on this. It's very simple. Obviously, you got to be 18 years old. You want to definitely read the privacy policies before you get involved so you know what you're getting into. Just choose your profession. You're going to also want to upload your W-9 forms so that they can officially, consider the taxes that are going to need to be taken out for your services. And this, brief description of how you heard about them and so forth. And then here you can choose what niche that you're wanting to go into for the different types of articles that may interest you, what you want to write for. So you can see the different categories that you have here. You have beauty, business economy, and so forth, computer and software, education. The list goes on and on and on. So there's virtually something here for everyone, fitness and lifestyle. So then you'd want to put your email address, create a password in your account, agree to the terms of service, agree that we're going to need to upload your 1099 other tax related forms, and you go ahead and then sign up. Very simple process. So it will get back to you. And then once you get to that point, you can start your services. So not a lot of people are using this method. They actually will sign up for like Upwork to write their content. This is the much better way. Usually for like 12,000 words, you can get like $40 or $500 on Upwork. But here you can get up to $600 and you can easily make a lot of money. You can put that money towards things like Shopify dropshipping once you start making more money, or Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever kind of cash you need, because you don't need anything to get started. No upfront cost to get started with this method. So I hope you liked this video and you got some value out of it. If you did, consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell notification, and stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to be showing you some more make money methods online. In the meantime, check out any videos that you see popping up here on the screen if you're interested in those, and I will see you on the next one. Also, come and check out my YouTube channel over here, Make Money Methods, where you can actually pick and choose the types of videos that you may be interested in making money online. I also have some playlists here set up where you can come into here for the different categories and select these to see if there's something that you'd be interested in. Also, check out the link in my description where I show you my #1 way to make a passive income online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.